So here we have the engine, and this is your timing gear, and this shouldn't be loose. It should fit right in this little groove here to stop it from turning. And as we can see, this just turns freely. And there's the little groove it should fit into. And on the other side, you can see this is all chewed up. This little spot here should be fitting into here to stop this from turning, and it is quite chewed up. Hard to get a good view of it here, but it is quite chewed up. So with this spinning freely, the timing would be off on the engine and therefore not starting.